Hello, Practicum friends. A couple of you have asked, how do we get to the session that we're going to be using, the virtual session? So I thought I'd make a video explaining how to do that. What you'll want to do is get into Blackboard and go to your courses, and then obviously click on the course that we are talking about. So for some of you, it's going to be the preschool practicum. Others of you, I also teach the advanced practicum. So whichever one that you have me for, click on that class. And then on the sidebar over here, under Course Tools, you're going to find something that's called Class Collaborate Ultra. Click on that. And the virtual class should be written in. So whatever date that we're going to be meeting, you click. So right now it's not open. Once it does say that it does get started, then you just click on that. Obviously, it's not going to let us get in right now. And then you just join in with our session. I would appreciate it if you could type your full name, please, in the session so that we know exactly who it is who's there. All right, I look forward to seeing you at our virtual class. Take care, everyone.